Good morning, children. So, the next poem number 2, open page number 24, The Sea Treasures. Okay, The Sea's Treasures. It was written by the poet is Daphne Lister. Okay, Daphne Lister. Okay, so now we have to say what are sea treasures. So, sea treasures can be colorful sea animals, oysters, seashells, coral, seaweed, etc. See, here we have shells, corals, starfish, and all the other sea creatures. Okay, all these are the sea creatures. Okay, children. So, now coming to the poem. In swept the sea. What is swept? Pushed with force. So, pushing with force the sea. In swept the sea with a swirl and swish. What is swirl? A movement forming a circle. Means forming a circle. A movement. Swirl means movement forming a circle. And swish means smooth and quiet sound. Smooth and quiet sound is known as swish. Okay, it shimmered and whispered. What is shimmered? Shone with a soft light which seemed to shake. So it shimmered, soft light which seemed to shake. Okay, and what is whispered? Spoke very quietly using the breath and not the noise. So whispered, so means spoke very quietly. It spoke very quietly using the breath, not the voice. We use only breath while we are whispering. Like, we don't use voice. See, like, don't take, or like that. Okay, like the sea treasures. It swept the sea with a swirl or a swish. So this is the whispering. Okay, so we will not use voice. We will use only breath. Okay, we will use only breath and we will whisper, but we will not use voice. Okay, voice means, see how now I'm speaking, and using breath is like whispered. So this can you hear me? Okay, so choose what you wish. And the sea showed its treasures. So the sea showed its treasures at the edge of the shore. At the edge of the shore, the sea showed its treasures. Shining bright pebbles. See, shining bright pebbles and shells by the score. And see the shells by the score. So at the sea showed its treasures at the edge of the shore. See, this is the edge of the shore, and the sea showed its treasures, these shining bright pebbles and shells by the score. Okay, long ribbons of seaweed that shone gold and red. So they were shining as gold and red. I'll share them. The sea said softly. So what did the sea said? The sea said, I'll share them. I will share them. Okay. So, in swept the sea with a swirl and a swish. It shimmered and whispered, choose what you wish. So, the sea is moving and whispering, shining, whispering that what you wish. So, at the edge of the seashore, there were shining bright pebbles and shells and long ribbons of seaweed that shone gold and red. So, those seaweed are shining as gold and red. And the sea said softly that I'll share them. Okay. Hope you understood this poem, children. Now coming to the exercises. Tick the right options to answer these questions. How did the sea come in? In a fast but gentle way. So, in a fast but gentle way. What did it whisper? It asked us to choose anything from whatever it had. So, the sea asked us to choose whatever it had. She asked us to choose. Okay. Hope you understood the poem, children. Okay, once again read the poem. Okay, read the poem and complete the exercises. Okay, thank you children.